In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your comments on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then tap right here to head over to our Instagram profile page. Once it is done, guys, we need to tap right here at these three lines and then select your activity. That's where we can easily find comments, and if we get into it, it will show us all our comments on any post on Instagram. By default, our comments are sorted from newest to oldest. However, here we can easily switch to oldest to newest. Also, we can filter comments by dates, authors, and if they are shared or not to Facebook. Then, once you find a comment you would like to remove, you can just tap at that comment. Then you will be taken to the post which you comment on and directly to your comment. Here, if we swipe to the left, it reveals us that trash bin and we can tap on it to easily remove that comment from Instagram. In the same way, we can delete any comment from here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.